Well, the NCP meeting at Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar's residence is over. Sources say that NCP is ready with its list of candidates, and if the Congress doesn't finalize seat sharing by tonight, the party will release its 144 seats tomorrow. Ashish is joining us. All right, we'll try and connect with Ashish, but this is what we've learned from our sources in the NCP. They're all set to go ahead and fight the elections by themselves. This is their final ultimatum that they seem to be sending out to their ally Congress to see if Congress does giving to their demands of 144 seats. That, of course, will only happen once the Chief Minister is back and the Congress can meet itself to take a final call. Ashish, I believe, is now back with us on the phone line. Ashish, NCP is giving the final ultimatum, saying they're ready with a list of candidates, and if they don't hear from Congress by tonight, they're going to go ahead and make the announcement tomorrow?
See, the NCP's internal meeting headed by Chief Sharad Pawar has just ended. In fact, we are told by the senior leaders of NCP that they are waiting for Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chauhan to come back in Mumbai from his home constituency, Karad in Satara. Now, there are two things that have been done in this meeting. And I remember there were top leadership of NCP was present here at Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar's residence this morning. And what they've decided is basically a list of 144 candidates. Remember, this is the number what NCP had demanded from the Congress at the first instance few days ago, which was completely rejected by Maharashtra Congress and CM Prithviraj Chauhan. 144 is exactly 150, 50% of the total number of seats, 288. The earlier, in 2009 assembly elections, NCP had fought on only 114 seats, but now they wanted 30 extra seats and wanted 144. In addition to this list of candidates, NCP has also prepared a backup contingency plan just in case the talks with Congress fails.
Right.